Starting off as a small business owner can be very expensive. I know you want that bomb quality and excellent look, but sometimes ordering from places like Sticker App and Sticker Mule just aren't in your budget. So I'm going to show you how to make waterproof laminated stickers at home. First, you want to select your images, make sure they're high quality with excellent cut lines and things that you really like. Or they can just be stickers you want to test. This is an excellent way to get to test your stickers and see if you like the quality and the sizing if you want to order them somewhere else, or if you just want to make them by yourself at home and you don't think you're going to get 100 orders of something. Like my Scrappy Doo sticker, which I only get like 6 of, so if I ordered them from Sticker App, I'd be pissed because I had to pay like $20 for no reason. So I use a 6.75 by 9.25 rectangle to help me arrange my stickers and make sure everything fits nicely with nothing overlapping. Then I save my project and print my sticker sheet in the high glossy paper quality using my system preferences. You're going to ensure that everything came out great looking and that you really love your images, because once they're laminated you can't fix them. Then you're going to go back into your Cricut design space and print another sheet of stickers. This method was really smart and cost effective for me. I'm not a huge shop yet, so I don't sell out of stickers overnight, so this helps me get to still make high quality products without ordering everything from Sticker App or Sticker Mule or outsourcing every single time. Right here I'm using my laminator. I got it off Amazon for I think less than 20 bucks. It has cold and hot settings, but here we're going to be using the hot setting. You want to make sure again that the images look great and perfect, or as great as they could possibly look, while your laminator heats up. Once the button is green, you know it's all heated up. I get my laminating pouches from Amazon. I got a pack of 100 of them for I think $10, which is a steal. So because we're using hot laminating pouches, we can do 2 sides at once if we're using it safely. I know it looks kind of like matte clear right now, but it'll look clear by the time it gets out of the laminator. So you're going to open up your laminating pouch and you're going to get both of your printed sticker designs, and you're going to decide which one goes on the top and which one goes on the bottom. It really makes no difference. They'll both come out shiny and waterproofed. You're going to slide the first one in, make sure that it's inside the lamination guidelines. And once you put it in, you want to leave it alone. You don't want to fiddle with it and get any double print lines, or if the ink's not dry, mess anything up. Then you're going to add the other one. And then I get a rogue piece of paper that's just around my room, and I fold it in half. This is a sticky note that I sell. It has wrappers on it. I also have washi tape with the same design. You fold it in half, and I stick it in between the 2 sticker sheets. Because if you laminate the 2 and you don't put anything in the middle, they'll just be stuck together, and then we wasted time and money, and I don't know. So please don't do that. And right here we're sticking it, and I like to stick it with a little bit out so I can cut it later to ensure that I can get in super easily. My laminator is all heated up, and you're going to slide that bad boy in. And I sped it up just to make it go a little bit quicker, but it's going to come out the other end super glossy and good looking. Now, as an artist, I'm selling the artwork and not the physical sticker, but I wanted to ensure that customers still felt like they were getting the highest quality item for their money. So when I started to make and sell my custom stickers with their faces or their photo images, that it would be long lasting and good looking, and ordering 20 of them from Sticker App kind of seemed crazy, so this was an excellent way to get this done. Once you're done with the laminating, you can open it up using a little paper to make sure that if you did anything wrong, you can still get it open. Trim the excess laminating paper, and once you trim the bottom, you see it's all the way open. So you just want to trim all the sides off and the top. I saw a lot of people say not to use hot laminating sheets because you'll stick the front and back images together, but with the paper in the middle and following these instructions, you'll be able to open it up and both the sticker backs are unharmed. So they're ready to stick on anything and ready for you to sell them. And right here, you're going to line it up on your Cricut mat. And make sure that listen, if you haven't calibrated your Cricut in like 6 months, I'm calling you out. Please go calibrate it. You don't want any issues with this. And you're going to use a matte clear tape to go over the registration marks to make sure that your Cricut can read the lines and cut it out perfectly. But once again, if you need to calibrate it, do it right now. I use the Poster Plus setting for my Cricut to make sure that I don't have to run it through twice or do anything weird. Right here, I caught that it was doing something wrong because I set it up wrong, but I got to put it back in and it was no issue. So make sure you're paying close attention, because even I messed up in this situation. And it'll peel right off. I didn't have to check it. I didn't have to run it through twice. It was perfect. Now you're going to do the same thing with the other design that we saved the project from earlier. You want to make sure you save the project so it's no issue when you're printing, and you could just go straight to, I've already printed and please cut the image. Yeah, some people like draw on top of the registration lines. That feels silly to me, and I'm not going to do it. So right here, we're cutting them out. And if you see, it kind of cuts it once around and then cuts it again. And that just makes it a perfect peel for me every single time. There you have it. Now we have our gorgeous, shiny, waterproof stickers. Scratch proof, damn near everything proof. And they just look so good. So you're using materials you probably already have with just a little bit of oomph using the laminator. I think the colors turned out great, and they're so shiny. Now they're waterproof, they'll last longer, they'll look better. You can test designs to see if you like them, and it's a better product for your customers. Overall, they'll last much longer even though you're using your Cricut and doing it all at home. And here's my mermaid. She also turned out pretty shiny and great. This is also a great way to make long-lasting freebies, which I'm sure my customers will really appreciate. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you learned something new or like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Wishing you guys peace and productivity on your day, and blessings on your small business. Enjoy your day, guys. Hope to see you guys soon.
Is your grandmother okay? I mean, she ain't moving. Yeah, watch this.
Turn that back on, I was watching that.
Yeah.
That's gonna leave a mark.